Today we will discuss about the beta blockers with intrinsic sympathomimmetic activity. Before discussing it, we will discuss the general mechanism of action of selective beta 1 blockers. We know beta 1 receptors are present on heart and kidney. When beta 1 receptors on heart blocks, it will decrease heart rate and myocardial contractility, which leads to decreased cardiac output. In case of kidney, when beta 1 receptor blocks, it decreases the renin release and further it inhibits angiotensin II formation, which leads to decreased total peripheral resistance, and it will cause decreased cardiac output and decreased blood pressure. This is the general mechanism of action of selective beta 1 blockers. But few patients are very sensitive to beta 1 blockers and it will cause severe bradycardia. Okay, so in that case, we need specialized beta 1 blockers, or we can say beta blockers with intrinsic sympathomimmetic activity. Okay, we can take a mathematical example of beta blockers, how it will work, how it works. If let's say there are 10 receptors, 10 beta 1 receptors, okay, each receptor increase the heart rate by 10. So 10 receptor will increase the heart rate by 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. If we give beta blocker, which binds to 2 or 3 receptors, okay, so available receptors are 7, okay, or so each receptor increase the heart rate by 10, so 7 receptor increase the heart rate, 10 multiplied by 7 is equal to 70, okay, because 3 receptors are blocked by beta blockers. This is the general mechanism of action. Okay, but some patients are very sensitive to beta blockers. Instead of blocking 2 or 3 receptors, it blocks 7 or 8 receptors. So only 2 or 3 receptors are available for noradrenaline or adrenaline binding. Okay, so in such case, we need specialized beta 1 blockers, or we can say we need partial agonist. Okay, so partial agonist activate the receptor by half of its maximum. Means partial agonists are the drugs which activate the receptor by half of its maximum. So when we have taken that one receptor is increasing the heart rate by 10. So now when the receptor is blocked by partial agonist, so now the heart rate will be 5. Okay, because it is partially blocked or half blocked. So the 10 receptor will produce the heart rate multiplied by 5 is equal to 40. And 2 receptors are freely available to bind to noradrenaline. So it will give 20 heart rate and total heart rate will be 60. Okay. So here are the drugs which are beta 1 blockers, which having intrinsic sympathomimetic activity. Examples are celiprolol, oxypranolol, pindolol, alpranolol, and acipitol. We can remember it by the mnemonics given here. Thank you.